Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the world of gardening with a focus on one of the best picks for watermelon enthusiasts. The Sugar Baby watermelon seeds for planting.
This variety from Gardener's Basics promises not just delicious fruit but also ease of growth and reliability.
Let's explore why this could be the perfect addition to your garden this season.
The Sugar Baby watermelon seeds are renowned for their small size but big flavor. They're perfect for outdoor gardens, thriving in warm climates and offering sweet, refreshing fruit ideal for those hot summer days. These seeds are non-GMO and heirloom, ensuring both quality and sustainability. They're grown right here in the USA, so you can trust their origin and freshness. These seeds have been a favorite among gardeners for years, known for producing small, round watermelons that pack a punch in sweetness. Sugar Baby watermelons thrive in warm, sunny climates, making them ideal for outdoor gardens during the summer months. They're non-GMO and heirloom, meaning you can save seeds year after year, enhancing your food security at home. Each packet contains at least 2 grams of seeds, with water-resistant. Full-color packaging that includes comprehensive growing and harvesting directions. If you're looking for a reliable, delicious addition to your garden, these Sugar Baby watermelon seeds are a fantastic choice. Their sweet flavor and compact size make them perfect for any garden space, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out.
Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you're interested in trying out these Sugar Baby watermelon seeds for yourself, check out the link in the description below.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful.
Until next time, happy gardening! Stay tuned for more in-depth product reviews and gardening tips here on Product Critique. See you next time.